How to download NBA 2K24 PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you need to launch your Steam on your PC. Over here, to begin with the download process, at the top in the search bar, search for NBA 2K24. Here you may find various editions of it as well. Just tap on any that you wish to purchase for your PC. Over here, you need to scroll down until you see the option of Add to Cart. Here, you can even buy the Black Mamba edition if you wish for. Or, you can even download Kobe Bryant edition. Tap on Add to Cart, then select on View My Cart. Now to continue with the purchase and download, tap on Continue to Payment, which is in your right hand side. In your payment method, firstly select the payment method from the drop-down icon. If you select on PayPal, you will have to log in into your PayPal account with your PayPal credential. After which, you have to move ahead with the payment. And that is how you will get yourself your very own NBA 2K24. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.